Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This time we're going to do a tutorial on how you can fix a leaky roof on a Hummer H3. Now the front is very easy to do, that's not complicated. You just open it up and you just want to pry this out. There's a hole, you can reach it, take it out, clean the rubber and put it right back on. On the driver's side, you're just going to go underneath and do the same thing. Pull it right out, you're going to be able to see the hose and put it back in. I'm not gonna go too much into it because there's a lot of videos about it, but I wanted to show you how to do the rears. Let's go there. To access the rear drain, what you do is first you pry this out. This is the back door, the driver's side back door. You're gonna pry this out and then you're gonna pry this out too. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pry this part out to access where the seat belt goes. There's a hole there, you're gonna stick your hand and the drain is right behind this. Okay, this is the rear part. What I did is I removed this part, which you shouldn't, but I did it. But if you do remove it, it has a couple of nuts right here. Just take that out and pry this out, and it has a few right here too. And there's two nuts at the end. Don't pull too hard because you might break it. But you don't need to do that. The only thing you need to do is pry this open where the seat belt is at, and then you can reach your hand in there and unplug the hose. Okay, once you unplug it, just pull it, clean it, and make sure you clean the hose a little bit as well. Put it back on and snap it back in there. This is where the hose comes out. So very easy. Actually, you don't need to remove all of these things that I just did. I hope you like this tutorial. So make sure you do subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. See you next time.